Welcome to my channel UGC NET English Literature Smart Study. Today's topic is History of Literature. History of literature, or particularly history of English literature, is an indispensable criteria which every student of English literature has to venture. And for the NET aspirants, it is the sole syllabus. Though our syllabus starts from the age of Chaucer, we should take a look at the very early history to make our concept crystal clear. If, like a drill machine, we just inculcate the information without understanding the context and evolution, we will be stuffed brain with dry fodder and no productivity. Memory will get stagnant, wanting the portion of interest. So let's have a journey around the edges to get a good grip on our comprehensive power and competent understanding. To get well acquainted with the early history of Britain, first we have to comprehend the four basic pillars of civilization. Geography of British Isles. Number 2, its history from prehistory to Norman conquest 1066. Its early language, its early literature. That's called Old English literature. Geographic periphery. Pivoting Great Britain, an island in the North Atlantic Ocean off the northwestern coast of continental Europe, a great civilization thrived eons ago in the hands of many barbaric tribes from time to time. And when civilization settled at the hands of great monarchs, literature took new shape and style. The British Isles are a group of islands in the North Atlantic off the northwestern coast of continental Europe that consist of the islands of Great Britain, Ireland, and over 6,000 smaller isles. It includes two sovereign states, the Republic of Ireland and the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. Britain is an island that consists of three somewhat autonomous regions that includes England, Scotland, and Wales. It is called Great because it is the largest island in the British Isles. Demarcation of UK, Great Britain, England, British Isles. England plus Scotland plus Wales is called to Great Britain. So Great Britain consists of three parts: England, Scotland, Wales. Again, if we include North Ireland with it, it will be UK, United Kingdom. Again, if we include over 6,000 smaller isles along with the Republic of Ireland, then it will be British Isles. You can look at the map and the demarcation lines. It will be more visible, clear to you. Generally, we start our journey from here, coming of Anglo-Saxon, here it is Angles, coming of Anglo-Saxon Jutes in England and their reign till 1066. But there was something before them, some hidden history, without which our Odyssey will remain incomplete. Early history of Britain. We can unfold Britain's early history in three parts. Prehistoric Britain before 43 AD, Roman Britain 43 AD to 410 AD, Anglo-Saxon period 450 AD to 1066 AD. Okay, if you like my channel, then share and subscribe. And thank you. And if you find any kind of disparity regarding any information, then you must inform me by commenting below. Go ahead.